Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enter one-time boot menu on this laptop. To do this, all you have to do is power your PC on by pressing the power button once, and then start repeatedly pressing F12 button until you see the boot menu in front of you. Okay, once you see this logo, you can release the stop pressing F12 button, and now in boot menu you can navigate using your touchpad, and you can select the boot device you want to boot from. You have, by default, you have 5 devices on the list. If you don't have any connected device to your laptop, then basically none of this will boot, unless of course you do have. Now if you want to boot, you can also navigate here using your arrow buttons, and if you want to boot into Windows, select Windows Boot Manager option. You can either tap on it or press enter, and if you want to exit from here, just press escape and your laptop will reboot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.